In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone into a group in Soundtrap. First, open your web browser and head to the Soundtrap website. On the homepage, look for the Login button at the top right and select it. On the sign-in screen, choose Login with Google for a quick sign-in experience. If you prefer another method, that works too, but we'll stick with the Google option here. When your Google accounts appear, pick the one you want to use and follow any prompts until you're back in Soundtrap. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home area. Click Projects to view your sessions. This page shows all your work in one place, so it's easy to spot what you want to share. Locate the project you want your group to collaborate on. When you find it, open it in the studio by selecting Studio on that project tile. Give it a moment to load. You should see your tracks, timeline, and the main editing tools across the screen. Inside the studio, look toward the top right corner for the Invite button and click it. This opens the collaboration panel where you can bring people into your project and start working together. You have two ways to invite collaborators. The first is by email. Type the person's email address into the field provided, then click Invite to send the invitation straight to their inbox. They'll get a link to join your project, and if they're new to Soundtrap, they'll be prompted to create an account before entering. If they don't see the email, ask them to check their spam or junk folder. The second option is to generate a shareable link. Create the link, copy it, and send it through your preferred channel such as a class portal, chat, or team workspace. Remember that anyone with the link may be able to access the project, so only share it with people you trust and follow your organization's guidelines. If permission settings are available, set them to the level you want before sharing. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure everyone signs in with the same type of account, like school or work, to avoid access issues. If the invite button looks disabled, try saving the project and waiting a moment. Also, keeping your project name clear and specific helps your group find the right session quickly. That's all there is to it. Go to Soundtrap, log in, open projects, enter your project studio, click invite, and add collaborators by email or with a shareable link. You're ready to create together.